Hello everyone, my name is Jose Villamil. I am from Zipaquirá, Cundinamarca, Colombia. Zipaquirá is beautiful, famous turning soul, coffee I back underground, truths, boil inside and salt might. It is one of the most popular tourist places in Colombia. I mean, how you can visit the main square, the colonial church, and the museum. People are friendly, and the water is cool and nice. You can also enjoy tradition for like arepas and empanadas. I love living in Zipaquirá because in the peaceful, historic, and full of culture. Thank you, thank you, watching.